is going on, everybody? So, you're probably wondering, what am I doing on this tiny, tiny, tiny boat? Well, I am taking this tiny, tiny boat to a very cool airport known as St. Petersburg Airport. Today I'm going to be flying a 1944 Piper J3 Cub, the renowned Piper Cub, the tail wheel trainer for the last 70, 80 years, and 90 years. It's crazy how long that airframe has been around. I'm super stoked about it because I've never personally been in a Piper J3 Cub, let alone flown one. And I have no idea what's in store for today. I've never met these people before, and I'm really excited what we'll be doing. And yeah, I took this boat because this is my transportation to get to the airport. I'm literally in the middle of the ocean right now and trekking across the ocean to get to this airport from my girlfriend's parents' house. So I decided to take the dinghy and instead of an Uber or a car, because it had the keys to it, so why not? So I'm taking a boat to the airport, and from the airport I'm taking a 85, 90-year-old plane up into the sky. So I'm terrible with math today. It's not 85 or 90, it's an old plane, but I love old vintage planes, and I think this will be a great way to perfect my tail wheel skill set. And so I have no clue what to expect. So grab a snack, buckle up, and enjoy this episode. Do you know where I might find Billy? That's you. Oh, nice to meet you.
Look how much you can get in this and boy, do they come in slow.
Oh, I know, they're amazing. Yeah, I would agree.
I was impressed with that.
Wow. What year is this?
46.
Wow. What was the first year production on these? It's like 41?
The two switches
You
push
got
them
it.
down.
Yep. They are off.
Hey!
Hey! Oh
Thanks
my
for the airplane
gosh.
ride. That was swell.
That was...
Sure beats working on that Cherokee.
I can imagine. I have a new profound respect for Piper Cubs. I've always loved them, but I've never actually...
Oh yeah, it's a great plane.
Oh my gosh. I feel like a...
pie. It'll do whatever you want.
I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. It's crazy.
Yeah. I want one.
So we just landed about 20 minutes ago, and this location is quite possibly one of my favorites for various reasons. One is that the location is incredible. I don't know if you can see that or not. St. Petersburg is quite possibly the most beautiful airport in North America that I've flown at. I have a lot to see in North America, but this place definitely takes the cake. Number two is I flew a Piper J3 Cub. It's a 1944 model, or 45, and I can see why people fall in love with a Piper Cub. It is the most enjoyable plane I've ever flown, and I've flown a lot of aircraft. But being at sea level, had a C-85, around 85 horsepower, it was the most fun plane I've ever flown. And the instructor that I was with, he was incredible. I unfortunately didn't get a lot of scenes because I didn't have a mount. I didn't have a GoPro with me today. It was all cell phone. So that was the only bummer, but I did get some good shots while we were flying and places that we flew at. The one part that made it really cool was we took off from St. Petersburg, headed north, and went to a grass strip in the middle of nowhere. And we were practicing touch and goes, slips. And this guy just gives me the controls. He's like, put it down, don't kill us. And I'm like, this guy has known me for like 15, 20 minutes. And he's put his life in my hands. So that in itself was a pretty cool experience. Yeah, if you ever get a chance, come to St. Petersburg, go up with these guys. I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely go up in the Piper Cub, because now I want one. I see why people want these. I learned a ton today. Really got some valuable tailwheel knowledge and instruction, and that was gratifying. Now I'm walking back because where I parked the boat at is technically not a legal spot. In fact, I parked it at the University of Southern Florida's sailing club, and I realized that after I tied it out that I was not supposed to park it there because everything was locked up, and now I'm hoping it's still there. I saw it from the air when we were coming in on landing, and I gotta hop the fence to get back to this boat. So that's my end cap on this amazing last 72 hours down here in Florida. So 2 new episodes coming out because of it. One with a really famous guy named Joe Kittinger, and well, this video in itself. And thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and more fun stuff coming up.